Hello guys, welcome back to another lecture in this course. In this video, we shall be looking into Python arrays. So the array module in Python provides a way to create and manipulate arrays. And to create arrays, you need to import the array module and then use the array function. So to create an array first, we need to import the module. From array module, we need to import array. So after importing the array function, now we can create an array of numbers. Array of underscore numbers is equals to bracket, then I. This I represents integers. Then we put a list of arrays or list of numbers that we want to display. We can print array underscore of underscore numbers. So this is the output for our array.